Hello everyone, I am R. Yashwant. I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in the stream of Mechanical Engineering in SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, I am going to share about an artificial intelligence with related to an additive manufacturing technology. Additive manufacturing technologies is a more important and more growing technology nowadays. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or a robot controlled by a computer to do some tasks that are usually done by humans because they require a human intelligence. 3D printing is sometimes also referred as an additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is a computer controlled sequential layering of a material to create three-dimensional shape. A 3D digital model of an item is created either by computer-aided designing or using a 3D scanner. It is possible to produce a models and prototypes of any complicated part directly from 3D dimensioning or computer-aided designing without using any tool or any features. We can develop any kind of freeform body using a additive manufacturing technology as a real-type prototype. 3D printing is a game-changing technology nowadays that it constantly evolving and finding a new ways to improve oneself. It has only new amazing technologies such as an artificial intelligence. That combination of an artificial intelligence and 3D printing additive manufacturing is leading to new exciting application of an additive manufacturing technologies. Artificial intelligence is currently finding application in 3D printing and additive manufacturing for creating an intelligence service oriented production process for an industries. Additive manufacturing of three-dimensional object are now more and more realized through 3D printing, known as an evaluation premium in the manufacturing industry. Artificial intelligence is currently finding a wide application to 3D printing for an intelligence, efficiency, high quality, and mass customized and service-oriented production process. Artificial intelligence in 3D printing. Before a printing a task begins, the printability of a given 3D object can be determined through a printability checkers using a machine learning. Machine learning is a major important in artificial intelligence. The prefabrication of a slicing is accelerated through parallel slicing algorithm, and the path planning is optimized intelligence in the aspects of service and security. Intelligence demanded a machine matching a resources association algorithms enabled with a cloud service platform and evaluation model to provide a clients with an demand on-demand service and access to collections of shared resource. We also present three machine learnings algorithm to detect a defect in the presence of a cyber attack. Based on the review on various application printability with multi-inductor reductions of an compatibility threshold, acceleration of an prefabrications, real-time control, enhancement of an security, and defect detector for customized design or seek good opportunity for future research, especially in the era of Industry 4.0. This is the greatest way to develop a tool that can be detect a defect within a 3D model geometry. Making is an impractically this use of an artificial intelligence in the perfect solution to start our additive manufacturing project with the viable of 3D model. Artificial intelligence can clearly helps improve the printing process and prevent error. This will always be the improve the additive manufacturing process to get the best pair possible. Artificial intelligence is often linked to terms such as machine learning, neutral network, automation, or artificial vision. The, the idea here is that machine can solve a given problem by itself without a human intervention. based on a given data or the past experience. This is the combination of an additive manufacturing with an artificial intelligence. This is the particular interest when combined with the 3D printing technologies, as it could increase the process performance of an 3D printing by reducing the risk of an error and facilitating automated production. We need more and more startup and research project integrated with an AI into a 3D printing product also or an service. Additive manufacturing has been increasing used in production because of its rapid growth. The efficiency and robustness of an additive manufacturing based on product development process should be improved. The artificial intelligence is the power tool that has outperforms the human in numerous complex tasks. Artificial intelligence enabled intelligence against can reduce the workflow or workforce required to the scale up additive manufacturing production and achieve a higher resource utilizing efficiency. This study provides an introduction of an additive manufacturing techniques with related to an additive manufacturing. Then the current development of an AI enabled with an additive manufacturing process developing in investing it. Existing intelligence agents are used for a problem in product design. Process designs and production stages based on their review. Current research gases and futures research are developing in its current stage. To guide future development of a more efficiency or intelligence agents, a smart additive manufacturing workframe based on a cloud computing is prosponded. Global consideration can be realized in this cloud environment, and to develop a fast response can be achieved at edge nodes, keywords. Additive manufacturing is an artificial intelligence with can a product development, cloud edge computings. Today, additive manufacturing requires a high degree of specialized knowledge for a production of a part. Artificial intelligence with adopt important role in the 3D printing workflow. Faster and smarter algorithm will reduce the manual process performed by humans. Artificial intelligence will allow access to large amount of data to be better managed in the 3D printing technology. Artificial intelligence and 3D printing have a great future together. 3D printing technology can be also improved, and we can say that the future of a 3D printing factors is really promisable. Printing a process or one or more efficiency, it takes less time with a great reduction of part productions. So thank you for giving a wonderful opportunity to share about artificial intelligence with related to additive manufacturing. Thank you.